Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I will show you how to make a cute little shoe for a baby boy or a baby girl. Let's start my work. So Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, I will chain 13. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. Now half double crochet in the third one, make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Now make 8 half double crochet in remaining stitches, 2 sorry, it was 9 stitches. In the last one I will make 5 half double crochet, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now half double crochet in 9 stitches as I did before, 1 2 3 4. In the last one I will make 3 half double crochet, 2, and this one is my third. Now 5 double crochet in same stitch here and 5 double crochet half double crochet in here. Now stitch into the second one, slip stitch. Now chain 1 and 2 and half double crochet in the same stitch. In the second, make 2 half double crochet, and make half double crochet in the remaining stitches. Now I did 10 half double crochet in the 5 stitches. I will do my 2 half double crochet in each stitch, 1 2 half double crochet in same stitch. Now I did my 5 stitches, 2 half double crochet in each stitch. Now half double crochet in remaining stitches except last 2. Now I have 2 stitches. I will do 2 half double crochet into the same stitch, 2 half double crochet into the same stitch, and now in the second one I'll make a slip stitch. This is my second row. Now chain 2 and again in the next stitch make 1 double crochet, in the second 2 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, in the next 2 double crochet, in the next 1 double crochet, and again 2 double crochet in the next. So it is the set of 3, 1 2 1 2 1 2. Now again make half double crochet into remaining stitches, Now in the next 10 stitches I will make 1 half double crochet and 2 half double crochet in 10 stitches. 1 and then 2 half double crochet, 1 and then 2 in the next 2 half double crochet. Now make half double crochet into the next remaining stitches except last 4 stitches. When I reach there, 1 2 3 4, one more. Now 2 half double crochet into the next, 1 half double crochet into the next, 2 half double crochet into the next, and last 1 half double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the second one. Now this is my sole of newborn, 0 to 3 months. Now again chain 2 and make in the back loop half double crochet, into the back loop half double crochet, into the back half double crochet. So make it all around till to the end. Now I did my first half double crochet all around, so I will chain 2 and again I will make half double crochet all around till to the end. Half double crochet into the next stitches till to the end. Now I did my 2 half double crochet round. Now I will start my decreasing. So first of all chain 2, in the next make half double crochet, make 12 half double crochet, and then I will tell you how to decrease. 12 half double. I did my 15 stitches and now I will start my decrease. 1, 12 times decreases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 11 stitches decreasing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, now I will make half double crochet into the remaining stitches. Now again chain 2 and make in the next stitches till to the decreasing point. Now I did my 6 decrease. Now make half double crochet into the remaining stitches. And now make a slip stitch. This is my cute little shoe. Now I will make the upper part of the shoe. So let's start. Cut the yarn here and I will change color. Now this is the middle of my shoe, this one. So I count four, this one is the middle, 1 2 3 4, and from here 1 2 3, this one is the fourth. Okay, and I will make a stitch mark here. Put a stitch mark. Now I will start from this side. Now I am using maroon color. So first of all I will make 11 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now turn your yarn over here and put the needle into the first stitch marker. Remove it and make half double crochet. Half double crochet into the stitch. Now half double crochet in the remaining stitches till to the another stitch marker. Okay, now I am doing this. Children are playing outside. They are making noise. Now I reach to my another stitch marker. I will remove it and make half double crochet over here and chain 11. 1 2 3 4 5 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. Now one more, 12. Now make half double crochet into the next stitch and make into the next stitch half double crochet. Now half double crochet into the next stitches which I did here. Half double crochet here. Till to the end and make now I came to this side, so make half double crochet to the end of this line, half double crochet. Now stitch it here, one to the opposite side and the next to the opposite side. It will look like this. So if you want to stitch a button or a little flower or anything you want, this is up to you what you want to put on it for a decoration or looking beautiful. So, and the other will stitch on the opposite side like this. See, this is my cute little shoe. You can put a button over here It will look very nice, very cute. It is 0 to 3 months baby. So look how beautiful it is. From the back side it will look like this. See, it is cute little shoe. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Will you see in the next tutorial inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.